Hi, good day everyone. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. I'm here now with Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa
Hello.
2025 course with Winwin.
Hi, Pageant Trend. Hi, Sir Jay. Hello.
Alright, so first, greet your fans and supporters muna.
Yes, hello sa lahat ng fans, sa supporters ko na hanggang ngayon sumusuporta sa akin. Maraming salamat. And of course, all the supporters of Miss Universe Philippines 2025 as well.
Ayan, so how was your journey so far here at Miss Universe Philippines?
Wow! Nasa second week pa lang ata kami, but I feel like we've been doing a lot of things. But na-excite ako, happy ako, kasi masaya kasama lahat ng girls. And the organization is taking care of us really well. And I'm so excited sa mga inahanda ng Miss Universe Philippines sa lahat ng tao.
Alright, sige, let's talk about your experience during the press presentation.
Yes. Nako, I felt it was very surreal for me kasi my last pageant, di ba, 8 years ago. So pagtapa ko sa stage, parang, oh my gosh, this is it, I'm back. Sinipigilan ko yung sarili kong talagang rumampa ng pang finals na, di ba? Pero I'm just really happy to be back on stage. I'm really happy to share it with beautiful, amazing women. And just to see everyone na, excited din makita lahat ng candidates.
You know, you have mentioned a while ago that 8 years before ka mag-come back sa pageantry.
Yes.
So how was the adjustment? Parang nag-back to zero ka?
Adjustment-wise, siguro time with my family. Doon lang siguro talaga ako nag-adjust ngayon. Siyempre, my daughter is 2 years old. Lagi ko siyang kasama. I'm very hands-on with my daughter. But adjustment-wise with events, I'm enjoying kasi things like this. I love talking to people. I love knowing stories of the girls. Siyempre sa brands, I like talking, di ba? So, adjustment-wise, just the time with my daughter. Pero okay naman kasi my partner is very supportive.
Siyempre, do you undergo pa ba training?
Oh yes! Gusto mo yung oh yes? Yes, of course. Nakakasingit ako paunti-unti ng training sa Q&A, sa walk. Pero, syempre, everyday kasi yung schedule namin. So, I try to find time talaga.
Siyempre, dun sa mga trainings mo, saan ka mismo nagpo-focus?
Q&A. Q&A talaga kasi there's a lot of things happening around us. I want to be up to date sa lahat na nangyayari. Just going back to my core, I think that is very important kasi syempre ang dami nangyayari, baka nakakalimutan ko na kung saan talaga ako nagsisimula. So, yun mismo. Siguro walk na din.
Of course, talking to Miss Universe Philippines, one thing na tinitingnan ng ating mga pageant fans and as well as the organization is the advocacy. So, could you please tell us your advocacy?
My advocacy is women's holistic health. So, we have, reproductive health and mental health. For me, it goes hand in hand. I've been talking about my journey in PCOS and endometrioma, and not a lot of people know about that. It's very intimidating to talk about. And for me, gusto ko siyang i-share kasi ang daming babae na hindi alam kung paano ba yung endometrioma, paano yung PCOS, paano siya solusyonan. So I want to share my journey, and I've been working with Kindred. So it's a holistic clinic para ma-educate yung mga girls about it.
For how long you've been working for it?
Kindred kasi I've been working with them parang after I gave birth and then endometrioma kasi I had that before I got pregnant. I had a hard time na magkaroon ng baby because of that. So, ang daming girls then nagsasabi about PCOS, diba? Yung change ng body, hindi nila alam kung paano nangyayari. But there are ways to actually help them with that. So, I want to share that with everyone.
Alright, so obviously we're here now at Wendy's Philippines with partnership, of course, with Miss Universe Philippines.
Yes.
So what are you looking forward for this partnership?
The food. The food. I love Wendy's. I've been eating Wendy's ever since. The bacon mushroom melt, Baconator. I think, and they're also healthy as well. Siyempre may salad din sila. So very balanced naman. I'm just very thankful for them na partner sila ng Miss Universe Philippines, and I'm excited to do work with them as well.
Alright, sige, acknowledge the persons behind your journey.
Oh yes, oh my God, my core, of course. Yung core ko, alam nila kung sino-sino yan. Thank you for believing in me. Of course, the fans, thank you for supporting me from now until today. kayo ang backbone kung bakit din ako nandito. Maraming salamat po and I hope I'll make you proud.
And your social media platforms?
Yes, social media platforms. Please do follow me on Instagram. That's @TeresitaSen. On TikTok, Winwin Marquez. And of course, Facebook, Teresita Sen, Winwin Marquez official page. Yun po ang tingnan nyo. Naka-red po ako doon. Ayun po.
Thank you, Winwin. And
Thank
best of
you.
luck sa joining mo sa Miss Universe
Thank
Philippines.
you.